I've mentioned in the earlier part of the webinar where there are 4 life concerns that we want to address, right? They are the creativity, the nobleman help, which is assistant help, the relationship, and about learning. And we can actually achieve this with the following 4 formulas, which derives your personal favorable direction. The first is the Feng Shui direction. It is a creativity that we need. Here we are talking about wealth, we talk about opportunity, creative work. In fact, a creative idea can spin up to be a multi-million-dollar business. Yeah, therefore creativity can be associated to wealth. The next is a TNE direction where it represents health, healing, mentor, helpful people, meeting the right teacher, perhaps the friends, your bosses, your customer. So everything and anything we have or success in life are given from some other people. Yeah, whatever we got is from others. So if you need more helpful people up, you can align to this direction. The yin direction is about good, harmonious and quality relationship. Create connections as your network is a net worth. You can actually use this to maintain your relationship with your spouse or family members, your business partner, or your client. And when it comes to the full way direction, it's about education. It's about learning. It's about stability, calmness, in fact, more at ease. Yeah, and there must be a continuous self-improvement. Else, you'll always be the same. With better skill, it will lead you to more income, more growth, and this you obtain fulfillment and eventually be more happy. We face problems as we don't have a solution. Knowledge can fill up this gap to become better, and we need to be better, yeah, ourselves. And one way is through continuous learning. So how can we take advantage of this good energy? Using a date of birth of an individual born on the 28th of June, year 2000 as the illustration, he belongs to Aqua 9. And his TNE direction is in the southeast, where the dining area is. The Yan Yan is at the main door in the north. The Feng Shui at the master bedroom in the east, and the Fu Wei at the living area in the south. Yeah, these good energies in these sectors can be further boosted if you can see the swimming pool in the good sector outside your house. Yeah, for example, the TNE in the southeast or the Fu Wei in the south. If you can overlook a swimming pool from the balcony or from the window, this could amplify this energy or qi in this area. So in order to benefit from this energy residing in this area, you stay, work, or even use this area more often. Right? Next, using a date of birth of an individual born on the 1st of September 1984 in an illustration, it belongs to Aqua number 7. And his TNE is actually at the southwest door. Yeah, Yan Yan at the northeast bedroom 2, the Feng Shui at the northwest living area, and Fu Wei at the dining in the west. So stay, work, or even use this area more often in order to benefit from the good energy residing there. For the home buyers, when selecting your dream home, make sure that these good areas are residing in the essential areas, preferably your main door, your bedroom, kitchen, or areas that you use more often. For the homeowner, you can use this area to support your life ambition with the outcome you desire. If you want to go for more wealth opportunity, use the creativity or Feng Shui sector more often. Perhaps you want to improve your interpersonal relationship and be more likable from others, then use the relationship or the yin yang sector. In this case, it will be your bedroom 2 in the northeast.